Good morning student. Today we are going to learn third problem of admission of partner. And your textbook problem number. Solve problem number 4, page number 140. In this in this problem we learn goodwill treatment and as well as when any asset taken by partner, that all those things we learn in this in this problem. See, here I'll read first problem. Following is the balance sheet of Makarand and Mahesh sharing profits in the ratio 3:2. Here, Makarand and Mahesh profit sharing ratio is 3:2. All profit sharing ratio is what? 3:2. Here they given old balance sheet. Balance sheet as on 31st March 2019. Remember, partners old ratio is 3:2. Balance sheet liability side they given all liabilities balances and asset side assets balances. See, liability side first balances we see here Makran and Mahesh capital. That can be recorded. Mahesh capital and Makran capital we recorded partners capital account credit side. Partners capital account credit side by balance brought down. See in your textbook page number 141 we see this one posting, okay, where we recorded when they given partners capital account, then we recorded partners capital account credit side. The next one, see creditors balance rupees 40,000. How many? 4,000. Creditors rupees 4,000. That can be recorded new balance sheet liability side, where we recorded new balance sheet liability side. Then next one, bills payable new balance sheet liability side, where we recorded new balance sheet liability side. The next, building 72,000 new balance sheet asset side. Plant and machinery new balance sheet asset side. Debtors new balance sheet asset side. Bank we recorded here, we prepare here new working note account, cash or bank account. That's why that bank balance we recorded debit side of bank or cash account. Furniture asset side, where we recorded furniture asset side. So posting, next one देखते हैं. First, on 1st April 2019 Mangesh is admitted for 1/4 share in future profit. See here he admitted on 1st April. So whatever balance sheet we prepare or general entry prepare on 1st April only. When we prepare, so what we recorded as a date to 1st April 2019, and he admitted for 1/2 share of profit. See, first, terms and condition related to when a new partner is admitted. First term, he paid rupees 1 lakh as his capital and 40,000 as his share of goodwill by RTGS. RTGS everybody know because we learn in 11th standard real time gross settlement. Here Mangesh, when Mangesh is admitted in business, then he bring rupees 1 lakh as a capital. That's why we recorded this one balance partners capital account credit side, where we posted this one partners capital account credit side. And second effect, cash or bank account debit side. But what is the journal entry for this when a new partner bring capital, then entry is cash or bank account debit to Mangesh capital account. What is the entry? Cash or bank account debit to Mangesh capital account, and 40,000 as share of goodwill. And also he bring goodwill. When he bring goodwill, then entry cash or bank account debit to goodwill, and as well as distribution of goodwill is compulsory. So distribution of goodwill is compulsory. Then what we do here, when that partner distributed goodwill in their sacrifice ratio, but here they mention how to that sacrifice ratio related information they given here. It is what sacrifice ratio, the old partner decided to sacrifice equally. Sacrifice ratio क्या होगा, equally होगा. That's why whatever goodwill amount that can be distributed in equally. So entry is goodwill account debit to Makaran capital account to Mahesh capital account. Understood everybody? जनरल एंट्री तो बाद में दिखाती हूँ, बट यहाँ पे आपको कंपलसरी समझ में आना. Plant and machinery revalued rupees 48,000. See, your plant and machinery amount is what, 48,000, and old value is what, 60,000. So what we do here? Yes, here assets value is increases. When assets value increases, then where we recorded revaluation account credit side, where we recorded whatever amount is increases that can be recorded revaluation account credit side. Amount increases or decreases? The decreases here, decreases here. Amount is what, decreases, because above first value is what, 60,000, and new value is what, 48,000. So that assets value is decreases. So we recorded revaluation account debit side, where we recorded revaluation account debit side. Okay, when assets value decreases, then entry is revaluation account debit to assets account, means revaluation account debit to plant and machinery account. The next one, building taken by Makaran rupees 1 lakh. See, building amount is what, 72,000, and he taken at rupees 1 lakh. So when any partner taken by asset, then we recorded partners capital account debit side, where we recorded partners capital account debit side. And journal entry for when any partner take an asset from business, then entry is Makaran capital account debit to building account. Entry is what, Makaran capital account debit to building account. Understood everybody? बाद में दिखाती हूँ मैंने किया है वो सब कैलकुलेशन. जस्ट आई राइट नाउ हियर एक्सप्लेन ओनली. The next one, RDD to be increase up to rupees 4,000. How many? RDD increase up to, see, old RDD is rupees what, 2,000, and new RDD is what, 4,000. Means already we make a provision for 2,000. Right now total RDD rupees 4,000. So we deducted 4,000 from 42,000. And second effect, we recorded revaluation account debit side to RDD 2,000. Why 2,000? Because already we make provision. The 4,000 minus 2,000, how many amount is remaining? 2,000. So that's why we recorded revaluation account rupees 2,000. Understood everybody? Because we make already provision related to RDD, that's why here mention only remaining amount. Okay. Then old partner decided to retain half amount of goodwill in the business, means withdrawn that amount in the business, half amount withdrawn in from the business. Okay, so what we do, हाफ ही अमाउंट रिटर्न कर रहे, बाकी वो क्या करेंगे, फिर विड्रॉन करेंगे. सो हाफ अमाउंट क्या करने वाले, रिटर्न ऑफ करने वाले. तो रिटर्न ऑफ करते हैं तो एंट्री क्या होती है, सॉरी विड्रॉन करते तो एंट्री क्या होती है, विड्रॉन की एंट्री होती है क्या नाम है उनका, मकरन कैपिटल अकाउंट डेबिट, महेश कैपिटल अकाउंट डेबिट टू बैंक अकाउंट. हाफ अमाउंट मतलब 40,000 के हाफ 10,000 मकरन को, 10,000 महेश को. देखते हैं इस प्रॉब्लम ने दे गिवन यू आर रिक्वायर्ड टू प्रिपेयर ओनली partners capital account and revaluation account, but I'll prepare all account, all necessary account which require. Okay, and as well as I'll prepare here journal entry. See, first adjustment is what, new partner bring capital and goodwill. Then entry is where we recorded, then entry we recorded when new partner bring goodwill and as well as capital, then first effect we recorded partners capital account credit side by bank rupees 1 lakh, and distribution of goodwill partners capital account credit side 20,000 for Makaran and 20,000 for Mahesh. Okay, see, this is the first effect, but second effect is pending. I recorded here second effect. See here, this is our bank cash or bank account and goodwill account. When partner bring goodwill, then we recorded cash account debit side to Mahesh capital account 1,000. He bring goodwill, then entry is goodwill account debit cash or bank account debit side to goodwill rupees 40,000. आपको दिखेगा यहाँ पे rupees 40,000. And second effect, goodwill account credit side. When that distribution of goodwill, then effect goodwill account debit side, and second effect partners capital account credit side. Okay, that's it. Second adjustment is what? When here plant and machinery revalued at rupees 48,000. How many? Revalued at rupees 48,000. See, here plant and machinery amount. Plant and machinery amount is what? 60,000. Then revalued amount at rupees 48,000. So 12,000 is decreases. So we recorded revaluation is a second adjustment, first effect, less from plant and machinery rupees 12,000. And second effect we recorded revaluation account debit side plant and machinery rupees 12,000. Plant and machinery rupees 12,000. First effect where we recorded less from plant and machinery, and second effect revaluation account debit side. Understood everybody? Okay. See. Next adjustment is what? Building is taken by Makaran rupees 1 lakh. Building is taken by Makaran rupees 1 lakh. See. Building, where is building? Here, building. Building amount is what? 72,000. But that partner taken at rupees 1 lakh. How many? 1 lakh. This is the first effect. But here one more thing. When that partner taken that asset at rupees 1 lakh, means firm got profit rupees 28,000. Means that assets value increases at rupees 28,000. That assets value increases at rupees 28,000. That's why first effect we recorded add here profit or increases value of building 28,000, and second effect revaluation account credit side. When assets value increases, then we recorded revaluation account credit side. Okay, and when asset taken by partner, then second effect partners capital account debit side to building rupees 1 lakh. See, this one a second effect of second adjustment and building. Okay, understood everybody? Then third adjustment is what? RDD is to be increased up to rupees 4,000. Already we make provision for rupees 2,000. So 4,000 minus 2,000 amount what? 2,000. So we recorded here RDD amount rupees 2,000 only. What? We recorded RDD amount rupees 2,000 only. Understood everybody? Next. Second effect is the second effect. First effect, we deducted 4,000 from debtors. We deducted 4,000 from debtors. Okay. Next adjustment. Okay, all adjustment complete. Half amount written in the business already we recorded. The partners capital account debit side to bank half amount of 40,000, 20,000 and 20,000 distributed in equally rupees 10,000 for Makaran and 10,000 for Mahesh. Then we tally that a particular account. When we tally, then credit side is a bigger as compared to debit side. So here difference is what? 14,000. What? 14,000 is known as a revaluation profit. Is known as a revaluation profit. So we write here partners capital account that can be distributed in old ratio. Old ratio is what? 3:2. 14,000 distributed in old ratio 3:2. When we distributed that can be is that amount in 3:2, then answer is for Makaran 8,400 and 5,600. That balance we transfer to partners capital account. Partners capital account credit side. Okay, see here. Then next, then tally partners capital account. When we tally partners capital account, we see all credit side is a bigger. So when we tally that one side, then we got effect on debit side. We got difference from, sorry, we got difference on debit side. Two balance carried down, 13,400 for Makaran side, 1,15,600 Mahesh, and 1 lakh Mangesh. So that balance we transfer to partners capital account. See here, partners capital account. Okay, but see here, what is the bank balance? Okay, it comes from here. See here, when we recorded all goodwill, so that goodwill account is tally, no any balance brought down or carried down. But here what, when we recorded, sorry, when we tally our cash or bank account, then we got difference rupees for 1,40,000. How many? 1,40,000. That can be recorded our balance sheet 1,40,000. Okay, see here, this one a balance, no building balances here. Then we tally, after tally our balance sheet tallied at 2,36,000. How many? 2,36,000. See what we exactly learn in this chapter. We learn in this chapter first one, goodwill treatment. Second method, sorry, a premium method, second case. Premium method, second case we learn in this chapter. And as well as we learn when any assets taken by partner, then what we do. Okay,